Hi, Tanya here with Free Range Cottage. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a fun video for you. I recently did a table makeover, a coffee table makeover, and this was a real budget find on Marketplace. I found it for $25, and luckily it was just what I was looking for, and I didn't have to do a lot of work to it. It just needed a little sprucing up. I'm sitting outside here today, so hopefully you won't hear too many cars go by. It's just so beautiful out, and I want to enjoy the weather. But if you like DIYs, home decor, and budget lifestyle hacks, then be sure and subscribe and share the videos and give me a like, because I would love for this community to grow. We're over 2,000 strong now, and my goal is 10,000. So if you want to join in the fun and join along as we do all of our DIYs to our fixer-upper and a lot of other fun things along the way, then hit that subscribe button and the bell. And here we go with the makeover. Thanks for joining in. So this is the coffee table that I picked up off of Marketplace, and I got it for $25, and it's a solid wrought iron base and a solid wood top, which I was pretty excited about. The base I'm gonna do a little tweaking to. You can see it's got sort of an artificial rust kind of finish on it. It actually looks worse in person than it does on camera. I was thinking when I had seen it on Marketplace that I would leave it, but now I think I'm gonna give it a nice coat of black paint, like a black wrought iron garden fence. And the finish on the top is rustic and sort of driftwood like I want, but it's got a little bit of wear. So I think I'm gonna give it a light sanding with like a 220 grit, just to freshen it up. So here we go. So here is the finished table brought into our living room. And I didn't show you the spray painting of the base, the wrought iron base, and we did put a matte finish poly on top because Rob just kind of took over. I had it out there and he was too quick for me. I didn't get it videoed, but I'm just really enjoying the size. And it's just got such a fresher look since we sanded it and put a little bit of finish on it, made it a bit more wipeable. I moved this rug back over here that I had in the dining room for a while. I may switch that out, but for now I pulled in some throw pillows that I had. I'll show you these up close. These are from IKEA. They have some beautiful white ones in this same pattern, but they were always out of them every time I went, so I got these sort of gray blue ones, and I really like them. These blue sort of indigo ones are from Hobby Lobby. The fur one is from IKEA also, and there's another one of those and another one of the Hobby Lobby pillows, and just picks up some of the colors in the rug, gives sort of a beachy summer vibe in here. And I feel like the table still has a sort of driftwood finish. I was a little concerned. I felt like maybe it got a little bit yellow on me, but then when I added in my accessories, sort of the blue-green glass and the shells, and it was a nice contrast, and it works well with my everything else I have going on in here. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to step back enough to be able to see the whole thing, and let me know if you like it. It was just a quick project, didn't have to do a lot, so it's the kind that I like. Cheap and easy. So thanks for watching today.